everybody.
Welcome back to another video. So it's me. I'm here. Yay.
Okay, so there's like There's T-minus like 1 to 2 minutes until Noah releases it.
10:59. 1 second.
And they might not release
10:59 a.m. We have 1 minute to release date,
And they
release.
CSU released theirs at 11 yesterday. I checked at 11:08 around that, and it was already released.
Yes.
And we're gonna do the video. So let's start with the picture.
Let's do this, bro. So this is the first picture.
I made all these.
Hey, I don't know how to make those. Okay, people. All you gotta do is use photos.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna let him talk.
I'm gonna read this. Okay, it says area where waters are extremely warm, so swarms and major hurricanes and rapid intensification are likely. So we have the red, which is like the least likely part of this, but it's still pretty likely. This is the red, and then we got the pink, which is more likely, and then we got this dark purplish, which is the most likely with the warmest waters. Most likely chances of rapid intensification and storms become tropical systems becoming major hurricanes. Anyway, let's let Jack talk now.
So this picture.
No, the one is the best. One is like the most likely area. 4 is the worst.
Yeah.
Like the least.
So this area. Okay, if anything, sorry for an interruption.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
People saying hot. That's my brother, awesome brother, but he gets annoying. He gets annoying. Okay. So as you can see, 1 second. As you can see right here, 4.
The least likely.
Yeah. If there's a tropical wave in the Gulf of Mexico, they come from the Pacific, like Cristobal. That is how Cristobal formed. It literally came from the Pacific. It was Amanda, the first tropical storm in the whole all seasons, other than the Atlantic season in the Pacific.
And then we got the 3, which is parts of the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. 2 is like parts of the East Coast. And 1 is like the whole Florida and the Gulf Coast.
Yes.
Finally.
Alright, we're on the video.
This is
but we're gonna have to check
main development regions. Blue is the most likely development. Green is the least likely. But green is the least likely, but it's still in the main development region, so it's still pretty likely. So blue is the most likely. Red is medium. Green is the lowest, like I said, but it's still very likely. So we got the high. So a lot of these paths could go into Caribbean. Rapid intensification could become major.
Yeah, indeed.
Go into the Gulf and go to Caribbean, then the Gulf, and then hit one of the Gulf coasts. Or go through Florida, do an Irma track. Gulf.
Or Michael, whatever.
Or
Katrina.
It could go to like a Dorian track or something, or it can go to the Northeast. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, so yeah, wait, let's just step into the picture for them to see that. Okay? Because we're not doing that for the other pictures because we explained the other ones more. Or at least I did. Anyway, let's check the time.
Look at you! So it is out most likely. You want to go do it?
Okay.
That's my school day.
If it's really high, we'll probably freak out. So search up Noah August 2020 predictions or something.
I from Noah Friday.
Okay, do you want me to do it?
No, yes, you do it. He's such the most faster typer. That means touch it on camera. It's really hard for me. So. Sebastian? I don't think it's released it yet.
Oh no, they issued.
Oh,
okay, they haven't.
Wait, they haven't done it yet, everybody. So, turn it on.
Okay, well, it's not released just.
The weather thing has more of the weather.
Okay, but it should be released in a couple of minutes in our next.
Colorado State University rated point, so as you can see here.
And in our next video, we will show it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time.
That is Chip, and bye. Goodbye.